Today we're going to talk about how $100 changed my life. And it's not the $100 that changed my life, it's the meaning behind the $100. So I always carry a $100 bill. So right now I live in Canada. When I was in the US and lived in the US, I would carry a $100 US bill. But I always carry a $100 bill in my wallet. And it is not because I spend that money. It is because of what it means. And I discovered this from one of my online mentors. And he would say that he always carries money in his pocket or in his wallet, like a folded up $100 bill or $50 bill. And I thought, well, that's kind of cool in case you need something. But I misunderstood what he was saying the first time. The idea behind this is to create an abundance mentality instead of a scarcity mentality. So we go around our world and we always are worrying about money and thinking we can't afford things and everything's so expensive and how are we supposed to live, and inflation is going crazy and we can't buy stuff, right? There's all these negative scarcity stuff that's happening in our lives financially. So when I started carrying around this $100 bill, it helped me, and I've done this for years now, and it helped me realize that I am fortunate. Not because I have a fortune, right? $100 is going to do some good things when you need it, but we have our debit cards, and some people have credit cards, and some people have other kinds of gift cards and things like that. They can get stuff for if they needed it, shop cards. We'll get back to the episode in just a second, but we wanted to give you a gift just for being here today. Thank you so much. We've got a 3-part video workshop absolutely free for you. This workshop is designed to help you get organized with your money so that you can give yourself a 10% raise. When you give yourself a 10% raise, you are going to have more money. And when you have more money, we will show you exactly what to do with that money so that you can get on the path to financial freedom and start living your life, your ideal life today. You're going to learn how to get out of debt. You're going to learn how to save money. You're going to learn how to free up money so that you can invest for your future. If you're unfulfilled with life, whether it be at work, in your personal life, or with your money, then this is the workshop for you. Visit sentinelcoaching.com/raise. That's sentinelcoaching.com/raise, or click the link in the description. Now, back to the episode. So I don't really spend it. It's the idea behind this $100 bill. What does this $100 bill mean to me? It means that I'm okay, no matter what happens. And like I said before, the $100 is going to get you some things if the emergencies come out and you can't use your cards or whatever, electronic things go down, right? Cash is good because it can get you some things. But $100 is not going to fix everything. In fact, it won't fix a whole lot of things these days. And so it's not really about the monetary value of the $100 bill for me. It's more of that mentality that I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be okay. It teaches me abundance. It teaches me that I have the control. I have the power. I have the mindset that I'm okay. I know what I'm doing here. I am getting better, even though I make a lot of mistakes, and even though I waste money, and even though all these things, it tells me and reminds me, wait a minute, I'm okay. And I'd like to suggest that you do something similar, that you don't have to carry the $100 bill, you don't have to carry a $50 bill or a $20 bill or whatever you want to do. You don't have to do that, but somehow get yourself to the place where you're in a mindset that you are okay and that you are going to be okay no matter what happens. So I'm okay now and I'm going to be okay, even if I have bumps in the road. In fact, it's not even if you have bumps in the road, it's when you have bumps in the road, because we all run into these things no matter how well you handle money, no matter how much or how little you have, no matter what kind of job you have, no matter how much income you have, you will run into financial problems. And that's okay, and you have to be okay with it being okay. Then you say, okay, well, what am I going to do about that? What am I going to sit here, suck my thumb, and wallow in my misery because things are too expensive and I lost my job and all that? Yes, there is time for grief. There is time for mourning. But when your mind is right, you say, okay, that stunk. That was a horrible situation. I have to do something about that. What am I going to do about that? I'm going to treat myself with dignity. I'm going to treat myself with grace. And then I'm going to say, all right, what do I need to do to move on from this situation? So is it my wasted spending? So I need to work on my discipline. Is it I lost my job? So I need to work on what I can do to make that income? Is it that all kinds of things are more expensive, so I need to figure out a way to do one of the two things that I talk about a lot, is decreasing your expenses or increasing your income. Those are the two ways to that you can improve your financial situation. So you have to be in control of yourself, and that's what this $100 bill represents. It doesn't represent money, it represents your mindset and how you are okay, and you have that abundance of, wait a minute, I'm going to be okay. And I think that's really what I wanted to convey today, is just you are going to be okay. You have the mind, you have the skill, you have the strength, you have the determination. And if you don't have those things, you can get better at them. This is one of those great things, is that nobody can limit you except for you. And so when you have it right in your mind that you are okay and you are fortunate, then you are going to be okay. But you have to be able to muster up that determination for yourself. All right, so carry around money if you want to, if that works for you. It works for me. I always have that with me, and if I end up needing to spend it, I replace it. If it's something else for you, if it's another thing in your pocket or something that reminds you, a sticker or maybe a note that you put on for yourself to remind yourself abundance rather than scarcity every single day, and you'll be better and better and better, and you're going to keep growing and keep going in your financial and in your work and career life journey. All right, take care, friends.